the Squirrel Cafe. Stella and Sally have been collecting nuts all day. Now they can have a well-earned treat.
Phew! 10 lovely nuts! I'm all done for today,
says Stella.
Let's stop in at the cafe,
says Sally. Stella and Sally pop the nuts into their purses. Manuel, the cafe manager, stands behind his counter full of tempting tidbits.
I'll have a piece of walnut cake and almond milk, please.
Sally takes a few nuts from her purse and pays Manuel.
I'll have hazelnut slice and a pecan smoothie, please.
Stella takes some nuts to pay for her treats. Enjoy, ladies! You have earned it! Manuel smiles.
I think we'll be searching for nuts again, so we can buy some more of these nutty goodies.
We need to earn our treats, after all.